Greg and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we're going to be taste testing the Dwarf Hawaiian mango. It smells mango-y. It's good. It's a little overripe, but it's very kind of fruit cocktail-y flavored, and it's sweet, very fruity, very
yeah, with a little bit of like
it's got a little
spiciness.
It's got a little resin to it.
I mean, like the spicy, not the resin.
Spicy.
Just a tiny bit.
Yeah, I can see that. It's got that. I think this one's a little overripe too, so it's probably not giving it its full potential, but it really seems like it should have some. Yeah, if this was a day or two ago, this would have really been a lot better. Yeah, but even being overripe, that's still pretty good.
Mm-hmm. It's different than stuff we grow.
It's got a little bit of a cantaloupe flavor to it. If they put cantaloupe in fruit cocktail, that's probably what this would taste like. But yeah, that's good. I would, and especially if this was a day or two less ripe. Actually, I've got some other ones. We'll try another one while I got. Let's see.
And we picked these up down at Fruitscapes on Pine Island.
It looks about the same. This one's even more overripe, and yet it's still pretty good.
This one has a little bit of resin flavor that I didn't taste in another one, but maybe you tasted it in your piece of
about
the
the same.
one. Do you have some, Valerie?
This one melts in your mouth a little bit less.
Well, part of that's being the overripeness, I think, is it's kind of.
Do you want some more, Courtney?
Sure. It does have like a different taste to it, so a little bit.
Let's see if I. This one's a little greener, maybe.
It's a tiny mango.
It is a tiny mango. That may be the
drawback.
Yeah. It feels a little firmer. Similar though, so maybe that's it's more with the, but it's good. It's got a very sweet, fruity, cantaloupe a little bit.
Maybe with a little bit of like sweet spices, not it's not cinnamon, but it's something sort of like.
Try again. Let's see if I can put a name on it. Yeah, almost like a nutmeggy type of.
In a good way.
Little tiny hint, not like almost just like the aftertaste. Yeah, this is it. So this is a good one, and again, these are not at their peak, and yet they're still pretty good. But I'd give that a, I don't even know, I'd give that maybe a 9.
Like an 8. It's
8.5.
small.
We'll go 8.5. Yeah, it is small, and that's The advantage of small fruit sometimes means the tree can bear a lot more, and a lot of times they grow in clusters and things when they're smaller, and so you get more of them. But all other things considered, I'd rather have a large mango. It's just easier to process, and you don't have to cut up 3 of them to get a good.
That's good.
taste.
I think
But it's a
one
good
or
mango,
two.
and yeah, I wouldn't mind having this one. So yeah, Dwarf Hawaiian. It's worth a try. These came from, you said Fruitscapes. These
Yep.
came from. So I would like to try them. We've actually been sitting on the counter for a few days, and Celeste keeps saying we need to eat those mangoes before they get overripe. And I say, we'll get around to it. So I should have done it a few days ago. They probably would have been better, but they're still pretty good.
Yeah.
So
And I like the fact that they're good even when they're a little overripe. 'Cause a
well,
lot of
that's,
mangoes
we just actually tried some. We're not going to even put the video out, but we tried some Edwards that, again, they came down and we were told they're ready today. You need to eat them today, and we waited 3 days, and they were terrible because they had gotten way overripe. But these kind of are a little overripe, and they're still good. So I have liked most of the Hawaiian varieties that I've tried.
I don't think that's really a Hawaiian variety. I think it's grown in Hawaii, but it started out as
Okay.
from a different island.
I like most of the ones that they like in Hawaii too. They tend to be very tropical, fruity type flavors than, rather than,
Yeah.
Indian ones tend to be spicy. Florida ones tend to be just like really, really sweet, which I also like. But yeah,
It's
these are,
just the best of both. Like I feel like it's
Yeah.
a little bit of spiciness, but a lot of sweetness.
yeah. So anyway, it's a good mango. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack.